Yo guys, what's up and welcome to the stream. Today we might be we might actually do a little a little longer live stream today because we've actually got a lot to get done. So today what we're going to focus on is creating the main menu. So what I want to do is I just want to create the main menu, like a basic main menu. I'm yet to actually completely create the character customization system, so you can customize your character with different clothing and all that sort of stuff. But right now there is a couple compatible skins that we can use, sort of thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to just create a main menu system where you can select your gender, and then you can select your skin, sort of thing, just so we've got something. And I actually like the single page for for the main menu, the idea of a single page. So instead of having, like, new game, load game, settings, those buttons, those conventional sort of thing, I'm thinking about just having like a multiplayer style main menu, where, because the game's going to be mainly multiplayer. So what I'm thinking is just obviously you're going to be logging in via Steam, so that's going to be your account. So what we need to do is also the saving system, where we're going to save all the details, and we're going to be saving the Steam ID and all that sort of stuff. But this button here is like a settings button. So what we're going to do is I've just sort of got the design going. So there is no functionality yet. We've got to build all this functionality in, and also the saving functionality. So what I'm going to do first is quickly, I'm just going to grab the link for the stream and let everybody know in the Discord. The Discord I'm about to go into now is actually, the link's in the description. So if you want to go over to that Discord, it's my Discord. I pretty much post, random videos, media, and all that sort of stuff. So join me live. Let me throw that there. I believe that's gonna work. What we might do is we'll throw it in one more of my servers, and we'll go there like that. Okay, there we go. So, all right, so that's what we're going to do. What I'm going to do quickly is I'm just going to open up the thing on my phone. Yep, there it is, just so I can see the chat. All right, so that's what we're going to do. So pretty much, so what I've done is I'll show you here. I've just got a basic level, and what like this image here is actually like it's an actual real-time render target of this character. So I can sort of add any animation. So when I do add the modular system, I can sort of have this character. So it will sort of be this character, but you'll be able to sort of change clothing and all that sort of stuff. But what we need to do is we need to just, so now we've got that. So maybe we should create her render target. So her camera's off. So what we need to do is we should probably just redo her. So now we can go to here, I can go to UI, materials. All right, we've got a male overlay, and now we've got that one. So we'll get rid of that. Save current level, save all. So now I just need to make another one of, actually I need to make the overlay actors. Here we go. So there's her. So I'll get rid of her. Yep. I'll just duplicate this, so then I can make these classes, and this can be all the. So there needs to be like an overlay actor for each different instance that can sort of be. So you can change clothing and all that sort of stuff. But this one we're just gonna have it. So first off, we need to be able to choose our gender. So I need both, a male and female skin in this version, so we can choose which ones we want. So we can go to here, so we can go to there, we can go CHFS01, I believe it is, 01. Interesting. I'm not sure where she is. I think she's here. No, there it is, right there. Yeah, she can have the same animation, that's fine. So now that's going to be identical to him, just so the cameras are identical. So now I can maybe look at this. All right, what have we got? 98 in the center. All right, we can go like that. We can go like that. We can go 98, 98 there, then a 90 there, I believe. And I can probably do a 200. That's not enough. We can go 500. So, alright, now we've got her. Now we can, don't worry about that anymore. We can go to UI materials. I can theoretically duplicate that actually. Oh, that's right. Female overlay. So now what I've got to do is go to here, and then I've got to change it to the, she's got the male overlay, so duplicate that. Render targets female overlay. Okay, that works like that. Now we can go to here. RT female. Shout out to the free viewers. Alright, now we've got that. So that's all it is. It's a 2D capture component. So what I've done is I've just created a character, which is like the overlay character, and then I've just attached a 2D component, and then you go into the 2D component and you attach a render target, and that render target is like sort of shows that sort of thing. And like in the event graph, what you do is you drag that here and you go show only actor components and do self, and it will only show the actual character like within the blueprint, like that sort of thing. So there's that. Now what we're going to do is create a material, I believe, from that. Yeah, I'm going to have to do it this way. So material, female overlay. Maybe I can do a material instance and do this all through the instance. Why does it look like that? Okay, but I can drag this back here. Okay, we need to redo all this. Interface, translucent. So find a color, grab the alpha. So we want to like remove everything around the character. So you go 1 minus into the opacity, and there we go. So there's the material. So now we can use the material here. So say if I just change this to her, female, sort of thing. So there we go. So now we've got materials to work with for that. So let's just work in that functionality. So that's all I got there. So let's build the framework around this. So all right, we'll put it in a border. Okay, everything's looking good. Okay, border, canvas. So we'll center that where we want it actually. We'll go 0, 0, 0.5. Okay, now we got that. Okay, the border. Okay. So now we can go like this. We can just make it a nice black with an opacity of 0.5. I reckon at 0.7. And the border, okay, so now we got that. So what can we do here? Horizontal box. Interesting. Okay. So now we can go, okay, maybe a button. I'm just doing something basic for now. I've got to redo all this, but I just want something basic. So we've got something to load in and sort of save sort of thing, because it's mainly for the saving system. So we'll throw a button there, we'll throw a button here. We'll get a spacer. We'll throw one there. Duplicate that, throw one here. So now inside of these we can do a text like that. Yeah, I think that's better. Yeah, we can go like that. I mean, does the border? Yeah, I think the border's too much. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's just gonna work, I think. That's gonna work. Go like that. I feel they can, this can be much more. No. Yeah, that's good. So now I'll go bang, bang. Put a bit of a tint. Alright, so that's working. That's gonna work. So maybe we might need a bit of heads up the display, and I was thinking about just putting like a little, we can do like a little thing there. So I can clean that later, but I'll just name it. We can call this the overlay box. Alright, so now what I want is some alerts maybe. Maybe I can move her up a bit. No, we'll fit it there. Okay, so what do we need? We need a horizontal. Drag that there. Put this down here. 0.5. 0.5. Oh yeah. Minus 100. Minus 120 I think is good. No, 150. Minus 150 is going to work, I believe. Yep. Now in that horizontal box, we'll just call it the alert box. I want to do a little image. Then I want to do a text. Oh, no, 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 no. So this alert box needs to be a border first. So like that, and then that needs to go in here. Alert background. I now have to re-anchor it. 0, 0, minus 150. 0.5. Go like that. Now this horizontal box. Image. Zero 0.5. No, I think it needs to be 0.7. What's this? A 0.8. Ah, interesting. So just so it's consistent, I'm going, wait, 0.8. And the alert background needs to be a 0.8. So it's consistent. Now I can put like a padding on the border, can I? No. I can put the padding here. Let's go 20, no, 10. We'll go with a 5. No, a 7. Okay, that works. So now for the image, we can go T, what is it? Info or alert. Oh, there it is. Info icon, and now we can go with a text for the alerts. Make that a light and a 12 maybe. You know, something like that. So this sort of like pops up and tells you what to do. Let's put a 5 on that, I believe. It would be good, yep. Is a little bit too big, I believe. Let's go with a 9. No, a 10. Alright, that works. Alright, instead of like naming all this stuff, I'll do that later, just so I know what everything is. Alright, that works. So now for this, we'll call that alert text and make that a variable. So now that we can do an animation here. We'll call this alert fade. Yeah, we can just do it in one. Alert background, and then we just want the render opacity. So we want it to start at 0. And in half a second, go start showing, and then, okay, that's what we can do, and then just put that in reverse. So it'll be like this. And then we can just put it in reverse to show it, close it. Alright, that works. The render opacity now should be, yep. Alright, so there's that. So now we need to work out the logic. So for this and this, on clicked, we should name them. Right overlay button. Left overlay button. Left overlay button. Alright, those are variables, nice. So right overlay, left overlay button. Let's go like this, alright. It's, alright, this is the main menu. We probably don't need any of this stuff for now anyway. Alright, so when they click the left, alright, so now we need to work out the logic. So we can have like a predominant, that's what we'll do. So we'll call this the overlay material, which is a variable, nice, which is an image. We can just set the brush. Alright, so now what we want to do, we want that to be male. Alright, so we'll have a predominant one like this. So how can we do it? I guess we can do it in variables just to make it easier. So this is how I'm thinking to do it. So we'll do a variable int current overlay. We'll just do an integer. That's a default 0, so we do need the construct. Event construct or pre-construct. Pre-construct. called for both the game and there's the initial setup for their widgets. Okay, maybe this one. Alright, so now what we should do is it set brush from material? Okay. Alright, so now we need to work out what the stage is. So now we can just maybe do a boolean. So, when I'm doing these streams, I'm really just prototyping. So it's, if you notice me doing something wrong or something, maybe I can do something different. Let me know in the comments. Overlay. Oh wait, no. Now we need to start doing saving logic. That's what we're gonna do. So we'll stop here and we'll start building the game instance logic and the saving logic, so we can work things out. You know, if it's a new account, then we put them through the gender selection sort of thing. So we can go to core game main. I forget what I'm using the state for, but we've got a game instance. And I believe I'm doing something here. Yes, I am. This is how I'm respawning the player. Okay. Or spawning the right player, actually. Spawn player on map. Okay, there it is. So now for the game instance, what we can do, we should put all this into a struct. Structs, blueprint struct. We can call this player data. Alright, what do we need to save now? So we want potentially a Steam ID, which I think is all numbers. So maybe we can just, I don't know if that's too many digits for an integer, but I doubt it. But we'll just go with a string, I guess. We'll call this Steam ID. Yeah, we'll have that as a string. And then from their Steam ID, we can get their name. This is how this is going to be displayed. This is all just placeholders now. There's no functionality to it. We've got to build all this functionality. So this is how we display that sort of thing. So this sort of will be running first. I think, yeah, on the pre-construct of this. That's right. Okay, so the game instance. All right, now we can go. Let's break everything and just remove that whole existence. Let's get rid of the game mode so I don't get confused. Okay. All right, so now we've got Steam ID. So now we actually should be saving their name. So Steam name, which I'm assuming, what can we put it as? A localizable text string. We're just going to have it as string. So Steam name. What else are we going to need to save? Weapon slots. So these are the ones that need to be done from ATPS. So this is going to be, because we're going to save everything. The inventory is separate. I need to, what's going on here, man? I hate when that happens. There we go. You like that now? Okay. Now, there we go. So weapons, weapon slots. So I think it's an enum. I can check here. So this will be saving the weapons. Weapon S weapon slots. S weapon has to be an array. So now we've got that. We also need ammo. I don't know, I think it's just ammo count, I believe. What? It's not ammo index, it's ammo count. And we don't need that, we just need ammo count. Ammo count is an array of integers. Ammo count is an array of integers. Nice. Alright, so now there's the weapons. What else we want to do is save their position, which will, we don't want to like mess around with a transform, so we can just do a vector. That's a location, I think. Yep. What else do we need to save? Yeah, I want statistics, so we can do kills. So we can do a kill death ratio. So kills. I'm thinking about an experience system. What do you reckon, guys? Like, should I add like an experience system? Because I'm thinking about adding that. Like, you have to do things to sort of progress, through experience and gain experience. Or actually, nah. Actually, the better idea is playtime. So you need to play the game for so long before you can get access to big features like creating your own clan and stuff like that. So it'll be kills, deaths, so we can have a kill deaths ratio. That's all we're going to do, I reckon, and then we can just do a timestamp or something. I'm going to have to work out how to do that. Or actually, no, it would just be time played, which would be like seconds, which would just be an integer. Yes, I think that's all we need to save, guys. No, we actually have got to save their skin, which would be a class of that. No, it'll be a class of, class of this guy. Oh yeah, so these are the, I don't know what happened to him. I remember messing around with it, but, so these are the compatible skins we got so far. So we got 3 female skins and 2 male skins. What's going on here? It's the animations, by the looks of it. Nah, that's good. So should we do, yeah, we'll just do a class of the survivor. So what we can do here is go player pawn. We'll just call it player class or pawn class. Yeah, pawn class. Which will be we'll just do a TPS, I reckon. A class reference of that. So now we've got the skin to spawn them with. What else do we need? I reckon we just throw that one there. I think that's all we need so far anyway. So we got that. So now we need to do some logic. Oh wait, oh no, we don't need to do that there, but I want to add that variable now so I don't forget. So is solo game. So we need to work out, so that's what we've got to add here. Is I want to have like an exit button here and a play solo and play server button here. So when you click on the play server, like another layer will pop up and it will be all the lists of the server. And like when you click on that button, the settings window will pop up and stuff like that. So it's like a one-page main menu that's sort of like designed mainly to look for multiplayer. Might as well. I forgot what I was asking. I like experience as opposed to time. Oh yeah, that's right. Experience, yeah, but like, see, then I have to work out how am I going to add experience. Like, the only way I'm going to do it is, right now you're going to get experience by killing zombies or looting or stuff like that. But I can be like very accurate to work out if you know, to sort of restrict certain things depending on how many hours you've played. So maybe I can make it you have to play for at least 2 hours before you can start doing things that sort of impact the server, like you know, creating a clan or something like those types of things that I need to restrict. What's the reasoning for tracking time instead? Well, there you go. That was my reasoning. Just so it's just easier, so I can be, you know, so someone doesn't sort of try and manipulate or find a way to manipulate a way to get a lot of score very quickly, you know, through a bug or something, or through farming or some sort of thing. It sort of eliminates that whole possibility. And I know exactly how long you've been playing for by counting sort of thing. I'm thinking about counting. I'm hoping there's like a get tick function where there's like a tick running that I can use that logic to sort of work out how many seconds you've played for. Uh, what sounds good? That sounds good to me. At least I can get experience from killing things. Yeah, I guess. But see, like the only thing I need it for is to be able to restrict something like being able to create your own clan. I need to make it so you're a high level player, you've been playing for a long time to be able to create clans. I'm going to make it so you can join clans, you know, straight away, but creating clans and stuff like that need to be restricted. Interesting. What if I was just AFK? Thank you for taking that into account. But now, think about it. You would not be able to be AFK. It's a multiplayer game. And even in the solo mode, I'm going to make it so you cannot pause the game. Oh, yeah, I guess you can just stand there, sort of thing. That's some good things to take into account. But anyway, let's jump straight into this. So, what are we doing? We got structs. We can go to here. We can put the struct in here now. We can go player data. Uh, Wait, game instance. Interesting. I'm gonna have to like put all of like put all like I'm gonna have to. Well, right now I don't know if this is going to be fully replicated, but right now I'm just going to do it like this. So struct player, maybe an array of those. No, we'll just do it like this for now. We'll just get the framework going. All right, so now we've got the player data, and if it's a solo game, we can go like this. So now we've got those datas. So now what we can do is we can do the loading and that from here. So is there like a events? Oh, event shutdown. Beautiful. That's what I wanted. So this is where I want to save it. Event initiate. Opportunity for blueprints to handle a game instance being initialized. Yes, the initialization is what we want, because the game instance runs straight away and is consistent throughout the game, no matter what. So what we need, I don't think we need a main menu pawn, but we need a main menu game mode, which I think we got. Alright, so now the initiation, we can potentially make a function and call it check for saved game. And now we can go game, save game, where is it? Save game. Does save game exist? So now slot names, oh, this is all localized, actually. Game exists. Is there an async? No, there isn't. Or what's the async? See, I want to do it through with the async. Async save. Oh, there it is. Async save. That's what we want. So we need to do that. Okay, so now we can do the save data, which would be where I want to put it, here in the main. we can go here, save game. The main player save game, which is I think a save game, but the local one. Yes, I believe that's one we're going to eventually need because I want to do the async and all that. So blueprint player save game. So now this is where we can sort of duplicate the ones we need. We just need that. Player data, player data. Alright, so now we've got that. We probably don't need to worry about that anymore, or that. So now we've got this, we can go the local player controller. Okay, so now we're in here, so that's what we need to do. We need to get potentially an array of all the controllers. But for now, we're just going to go. Oh, it is localized. I mean, there is no replication needed in the main menu, actually. And I think for this, I don't know, we'll work it out. Slot name. So what do we want to, we'll promote that to a variable. We'll call it save game slot name. Save slot name. What are we going to call it? We're going to call it, actually, that's what we want to probably do. So on the initiation, we probably want to get, we'll create a function, we'll call it get Steam info, but that needs to be built later on. We'll just sort of build around the functionality for that. So we want to do that. Maybe we can get some information like eventually going to have to do something. We don't want it there. We want it here. Steam name. We can just do weapons like that. Okay, so that's going to work for us like that. That's how we can get rid of that. What's his delicate? Oh yeah, okay. Async loads the save game. If this returns true, delicate will be called. Okay. So then we can work out if it was being called or not. So if it failed. So delicate is, I believe, a custom uh, event. Create event. What? Custom events. I bet you cannot do it here. Yep. Move this whole thing. Get rid of all of that. Okay. See you later. Get rid of that. Async. Get player controller. Slot name is going to be that bad boy. So the save slot name is just going to be their Steam name. But what if they change their name? I've got a better idea. We'll just do this as a it's a string anyway, so it's Steam ID. That doesn't change. Steam name. That looks like a Steam ID. Alright, so now these are like the type of information we're going to need. So Steam ID is just going to be the slot name. So maybe we can promote that to a variable and call it Steam name. Alright, there we go. So now this can be a custom, and we'll call this on save game loaded. Oh, so this will be called before the delegate. I don't know if we're going to need that, but maybe we'll just put that there. So now, the save game object, the local save game object. So now I think we save game async. Uh, I don't think that is. Save game. There it is. Oh, there it is there. Oh, so I'm thinking, where am I going to get this from? Okay, we can call that the save games. Jesus. Player save game. Oh, okay, like that. Player save game, very nice. And go like that. Shout out to the two viewers. Just read in the comments. I see. Okay, which makes sense. Just for clean creation, yeah. Can't do events in a function. Yeah, I know it's stupid. You could make a custom event and call it, yeah. You can do that, yeah, sort of thing. And then call the function, that's right. So slot name, we need to promote that now. Do we even need it? Because it's going to be in here. We need to set these members actually. Oh wait, that's going to come from the save game. Steam info. Yeah, we need to set members, I think. Set members. What we want here. Steam ID, Steam name. None of this right now. Let's just get rid of that. Steam ID, Steam name. Just clean that up a little bit. Man, these things are hard to grab sometimes. Okay, that's good. There we go. Should we be saving that? No, because it's now in there. We probably don't need to be saving that there. Yeah, we'll just get rid of that. Go. Okay. Done, 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 done. That looks good. I think it creates it if it's not. Maybe I should not think about that yet. So maybe I should just start doing it like this and see. All right, save game. So it does exist. The process will be like this. Maybe I should only use this. Oh no, I'd have to do the same saving for solo. It'll be like that, and then you go. So if it does exist, we want to load, save, save game, load game from slots. Uh, like that. And then this will be save game to slots. Like that. Will be I think you cast to BP play a save game like that. And then you're able to get, player data from that. So what you want to do is promote that to a variable sort of thing. Then here, man, I forget how this goes. But I'm just going to quickly find out in 2 seconds. Inventory, components, controller. This is the logic here. So this is the logic. Oh, yeah, create game. Then you do that. And then save it. Okay. Create save game. That's right. Create save game object. And this is where that object is the same as that. Can I do my local one? Yes. Uh, save game. Like that. Obviously the slot name would be in here. Slot name is the ID, obviously there, like that. You cannot recombine the struct, so we can just throw that here. So there's that, it'd be like that sort of thing. And then you save it, which I'm doing. We don't need a branch. And then we just oh, that's right, and this is where we get the save game. We get the player data. And then we get our player data. And we set it. Where's the return node? Oh, we're not in a function. Okay. I'm going to remove this whole async because I don't know much about it. So we're just going to do the very conventional way, which just is still going to work for now. So now what we can do, we'll call this a custom load save game. So what we can do is we can get all the details and go straight into a load save game. So we're essentially loading everything straight away, so then it's consistent throughout the levels. Let's grab all this. We'll just quickly clean that up. Oh, the slot name is obviously okay. Okay, player save. Alright. So that's loading all the data, all the saved data, essentially. I'm gonna make this, clean this up a bit. Save slots. Save game slots. So there we go, that's working. So now we've got a save game. Oh, we can actually go like this. Alright, that's gonna work. So now we're loading. And we're also saving it if it doesn't work, so then it will save it. So now we can load. So now what we can do is actually do a save game. Another custom. So now we're loading and saving. Save. Load save game. Save game. Save game. Okay. So now what we can do is just this, I guess. I want to do the async so it works for like local players and it's sort of, because it does it over multiple frames. But you want to do your saving logic inside your game instance because like if you don't and like the game crashes while it's saving somewhere, it will corrupt the save file. But if the game crashes, it will only crash the game instance. It won't corrupt the save file. So that's a way to prevent of getting. So we can go like that. Maybe we should store the slot name. No, we can just do this. I think we need to actually set this stuff here. Or that will be by default. Interesting. Okay. Let's just see if this works, I guess. Uh, Let's just do a quick little debug. Okay, so game saved. Go like that. We'll put a 5 on that. So game saved. Game save failed. We'll just go here. Okay. Game save loaded. Game save loaded. I think that's just gonna now just happen. So when we want to save this, let's just do it, like L key. Let's do save game. All right, let's see how we handle that. Okay. So it doesn't matter where we go, so we don't want to do there for now. We want to go into the Battle Royale map. Shout out to the 4 viewers. How long have we been going for? Oh, almost an hour. So this might be a little bit longer, this live stream. So definitely a little bit longer. So just trying to prototype all this, get the sort of framework working and then sort of think about it. And I like to do that. So you probably notice like over time you see whatever gets worked on in the streams gets upgraded significantly. So shout out to the 5 viewers. If you guys want to stay updated a little bit more and see a little bit extra behind the scenes and stuff, hit the Discord link in the description and go join my Discord. I've got a media section now. I post random pictures, random videos, also announcements and news and stuff like that. So updates on the game and that. So, and if you'd also like to contribute to the game, hit the like button and so we can notify YouTube to start getting some more people in here. And we might start getting some more people in the live streams. Okay, loading a big map. So yes. Okay. Yes, I changed this back. Yes, I did. So now we should see a load game. And then when I press L, a save game. Uh, oh yeah, okay. Okay. Survivor 2. Don't worry. Don't worry. There you go. I don't even know why that was in the game one. Oh, but anyway, so there, that should be good. I can go like that. In the level, I mean. Why was it in the level blueprint? I didn't quite look at that functionality. Shout out to the 6 viewers. It takes a little bit to load into the map. So we should see a load print screen, and when I press L, a save print screen. At least we know that it's working and loading when we want it, and it sort of okay, loaded, very nice. What on earth? Okay, that's a bug. But anyway, L. No. Maybe that is just not working at all. Oh, what happened here? Oh, interesting. Okay. So something very serious happened with that. We need to re-fix that. I don't think this is actually firing in here. Oh my God. Where am I going to put it? I'd have to go into the game instance. Man, okay, we'll do it like that. What have I got open? Have I got ATPS open? Let's just roll straight into ATPS. I'm gonna have to like cast it a game instance and everything. Oh my God. Come on. Let's just go. Yeah. Get game instance. Then we want to save. Let's see how that handles. Share it to 7 viewers. If you new to the stream and you want to sort of check out more about this game, jump into my videos and check out the first devlog. So I've just recently posted the first devlog for this game. So it sort of will explain everything that's been done so far, sort of thing. Yeah, that's a serious issue there with the okay. So and the HUD has now got a background on the thing. Interesting. I don't know what's happening. Something very serious is happening. Alright, so now we want to go L. There we go. Save game failed. Yeah, we don't care about that right now. What we want is save game failed. Maybe, I know why. I know why. It's not the right save game. We need to change that one at least. Yes, remove that whole thing, destroy every single reference in existence. This is a local player save thing. So I think if you want to go async, localized player stuff, you have to do it that way. But for this one, we want to do the normal one. This probably isn't the issue, but I'm just going to do it. Save game. Oh my God, the typos. F2. Someone taught me that. Uh, F2. Okay, now we got that. We need player data. S player data. We don't need any of this nonsense. We're not worried about that right now. We want a game instance. Is it actually saving in the save games? Yeah, nice. Maybe I shouldn't be using their Steam ID to save a file on, like to put it in a file name on their, like what's his, cast bad, no, there we go. Cast to BP save. Oh, we had our first crash for, I think that's the first time, probably not the first time the thing's crashed, but there we go, we had a crash. But let's jump straight back into it, guys. Hopefully I had everything saved there. I don't think it's going to matter. I didn't really do much. Takes a bit to load in. The map is 16 square kilometers. But you can pretty much check out all the other streams to sort of see the development from start to finish for this game, or you can just pretty much go and watch the devlog and sort of see it all in 10 minutes sort of thing. There is a bonus gameplay, some bonus gameplay footage on like at the end of the devlog. So all right, almost there guys, almost there. Our first crash. That's a bit of a standard with Unreal Engine. Once you start messing around with stuff, it's sort of that's why you just got to keep saving constantly. Because I do not trust the restore. Like, you'll see me. If it asks me to restore anything, I'm just not doing it. Because I think I've had a bad experience with that back in the past and it didn't work properly. So, I just don't do it now. I just remember what I was doing and just redo it. Okay, I think we're initializing the world now, yes. Okay, here we go. So, we just created a new save game, which I'm hoping I saved. So, actually, we can open these two. Yes, it needs to sort of load everything. Hopefully this texture bug is fixed, yep. Yep, we want to load both of those assets. Save game's good. Okay, this is the issue. Why isn't that allowing me to load? Oh, because there's an object. Okay, BP save, player save or something? Player save game? There it is. Yes, we want to change that. Okay, so this is in the game instance. Yeah, I just need to rebuild these things and then it should work. If it doesn't, it'd be a big waste of time. But I want to do it this way anyway before I try to do any async stuff. So there we go. Save game to slot. There we go. If you can hear that banging, I don't know what this guy does. Is but anyway, okay. Cast to BP player save. That's what we want. Like that. Now we can get the player data from this and set it to our one, or the game instance, anyway. Alright, so now we want to remove the save game. I need to incorporate the inventory save because it's not doing it through the game instance, so I need to do that. So we need to get rid of that. So now we go like this. It's just the joy of prototyping, guys. You just keep coming up with ideas and work out a framework. Game mode is not copying it. Okay, because of that. Okay. I don't know why it's... Okay, now that's good. Okay. Hopefully, old mate. Maybe it was doing it twice. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna like work out what on earth is going on with this map thing here. I do it here. What's this? Oh, this is like my attempt to load the map. That's probably what was going on, like happening. Okay. That should have fixed the issues now with the player respawning twice. So now we should see load, print screen load, and then when I press L, we should see save. Oh, that's probably broken as well. Oh no, it couldn't be because I didn't break that. Okay. Shout out to the 6 viewers. Takes a little bit to load into the map. Okay, loaded. And L failed. Oh my god, we're back to square one. Okay, save game to slots. I have no idea what's going on here. It's one of those things where it should be working, but it isn't. What's this? Like, am I, like, yeah, I'm setting it, where they need to be set. Maybe it's got to do with this. No, because I'm setting it. I have an idea. Maybe it's not competent there, so we can go to custom. Load, save, slot. So load, save, slot. So where are we going to call that? In our main game mode. Oh yeah, this is this is where I'm storing all the controllers. That's where I can save the game. Has been given a controller, okay. On post login, so when they log in, I guess we want to save. So when they've literally spawned for the first time. Let's just do this. Cast to BP main. Cast to BP main. Game instance. Get game instance. So now we can load save slots and initiate that. So let's see if this works. I bet you it's something completely different, but we'll see what happens. So now, man, I hope I didn't delete. Yeah, okay. Shout out to the 5 viewers. Let's see how this goes. But how long have we been going for? An hour and 15. Should be able to go a little bit longer, but to be honest, if we keep hitting a brick wall like we are now, I'm just going to end the stream. Because it's not as easy as it looks trying to live stream this stuff and think at the same time and not have the access to Google and stuff like, because I just don't want to be like searching Google nonstop on the stream, you know what I mean? Like, I like to prototype off the top of my head anyway, so it helps me learn. Uh, did we even see load? I think I'm gonna know if I go like this. Yes. And then L. Oh my god, man. I think we've hit a brick wall here. So I need to work out this logic a little bit more. But essentially, I might even go and learn this stuff too. Because I've learned how to do this advanced Steam sessions plugin thing, but I haven't quite got it connected. So when you actually connect the game, it pops up, the little Steam thing pops up. Because I need to work out logic to be able to check if you're logged into your Steam account, because your Steam ID is critical. So I sort of need to load the Steam data before I load the actual save game, sort of thing. So that's pretty much where we're going with that anyway. So I don't want to keep these live streams super too long, but we've pretty much hit a brick wall now. So it's pretty much what happens in these live streams with prototyping. But that's pretty much what is going to happen. So all that's gonna be when you probably see the next live stream is this UI done. You know, where you can just select your character, you know, select your gender, and then select your skin. Down here, it'll be like play solo or play join server. It'll be join solo or join server. So you can join as a solo game or you join as a server sort of thing. And over here is going to be like the quit button. So it's going to be like an unconventional sort of, it's like a landing page sort of thing for the main menu where it's all in one. You know, this is going to pop up like I said before for the settings, and this is just your Steam details and sort of stuff like that. But that's where we are, guys. And there's the official logo. I haven't sort of come up with a name for the game yet. I've just gone with Zombie Project for now. It may even end up being the actual final name for the game, but if you guys have actually got any ideas for a name for the game, let me know in the comments. I'd like some suggestions, and maybe we can do a poll or something with a couple of your guys' suggestions, and then maybe we can work out the best game. But Zombie Project sort of works for now, and you know, that's pretty much the logo sort of thing. But anyway, if you want to sort of stay updated on this game, like I said before, hit the Discord link in the description, join the Discord, and there's about 100 members on there now, and you know, I post you know, news and all that sort of stuff. But anyway, guys, I'm probably gonna stop the stream for today, and I want to get all this done, and then maybe we can. What I'll do is I'll get the framework done, and maybe we can jump back in and sort of finalize everything in the next stream, or maybe we can work on something else. Let me know in the comments what you want me to do. But anyway, guys, I'm going to cut the stream off for now, and the next stream, it won't be tomorrow because I'll be spending today and tomorrow sort of working on this maybe. It'll be the next day. I'm sort of trying to do them every second day, if not every third day sort of thing, but some days you know, I go about 4 or 5 days, but just know that if I do go that long, I am working on the game. But anyway, guys, that's going to be it for this stream. I hope you